In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Streamyard video. Before we begin, a quick heads up. Downloads are available on paid plans, basic or higher, and only workspace owners or admins can download recordings. If you joined as a guest, you typically won't see the download option, so check your role if something looks missing. Start by logging into your Streamyard account in a web browser. Once you're in, head straight to your video library. This is your central hub for all completed broadcasts and recordings. It's where Streamyard stores the cloud versions of your sessions so you can review or export them later, whether you recorded a full show or a quick test. Find the recording you want to download. You can scroll through the list or use search and filters, if available, to narrow it down by date or title. Take a second to confirm you've selected the correct session, especially if you run similar shows or repeat recordings regularly. A quick double-check here saves time later. Click the video to open it. The recording page lets you preview the content, check its length, and verify that everything looks right. Use this moment to confirm audio levels and the thumbnail frame if you need to. A brief preview helps avoid downloading the wrong file or an unfinished take. When you're confident, you're ready to export. In the upper right corner, click Download. If the button isn't visible, double-check your plan and your role in the workspace. Owners and admins will see it. Guests usually won't. Also note that very recent recordings may take a moment to process before the download becomes available, so give it a little time if you just wrapped up a session. Choose what to download. You can grab the cloud video with mixed audio, the separate audio file, and any backup audio tracks if they're available. The main video is ideal for quick sharing. The audio file is handy for podcast edits or transcriptions. Backup audio is an extra safety track in case of glitches, and it can be useful if you need cleaner sound. After you make your selections, your browser begins downloading the files to your default downloads folder. Large recordings can take longer, so keep the tab open and maintain a stable connection. If a download stalls, refresh the page and try again, or return to the video library and repeat the steps. That's all it takes. Log in, open the video library, pick your recording, hit download, and choose the files you need. With the right plan and permissions, you'll have your Streamyard content on your computer in just a few clicks, ready for editing, archiving, or sharing.